This video shows you how to modify objects in Inventor Fusion. Inventor Fusion is a direct modeler. You can modify objects directly. Modify using direct manipulation. Dimension constraints. The browser, or smart features. Inventor Fusion is a feature-based, history-free modeler. It stores the information with the geometry. Sketches and features are not linked to one another. Changes made to sketches or features will not affect the other. It therefore provides rapid design changes. Whether you are creating a design in Inventor Fusion or editing an imported model from Inventor or some other CAD file, direct modeling allows you to freely edit geometry. Features are represented, but there is no parametric history. Click an edge to add a chamfer. Click an edge to add a fillet. Several holes are added to reduce the weight of a part. Click to edit the patterned holes. You don't need to type any values, just drag the ball manipulator to adjust the count. Changes made to models are previewed in real time. You can clearly see the impact or change on the model while modifying the design. Use the Move command to manipulate component instances, work geometry, and the faces of models. You can move a wide range of geometry. You can also move multiple bodies simultaneously. You can reorient the triad manipulator. Lock a dimension before moving geometry so as not to change the dimension. Use Press-Pull to modify faces, fillets, and other geometry. On the ribbon, Marking menu, or Context menu, click Press-Pull. Click one or more faces on one or more bodies and drag the manipulator. You do not need to drag directly on the manipulator. You can drag, then release the mouse button, drag further, and repeat. Click OK to finish. You can also pick another command on the Marking menu to simultaneously execute the previous command and begin a new command. Press-Pull can invoke two additional commands, Fillet and Extrude. If, while in the Press-Pull command, you select a model edge, a fillet starts on that edge. If you select a sketch region, an extrude starts on that profile. You can use dimensions to control and change model geometry without impacting the other features in Inventor Fusion. In your design, you will need to define the important model dimensions. Use the Tab key to toggle the dimension location. Next, monitor and lock dimensions as needed to prevent changes to geometry. The locked dimensions display as bold. Double-click the dimensions to change the values. You can modify both unlocked and locked dimensions to change the model geometry. If there are both body constraints and model dimensions, Inventor Fusion will solve the body constraint and then the model dimension. There are several smart features in Inventor Fusion. Smart features store data and are editable. For example, you can edit a hole. Right-click the hole and select Edit Hole on the marking menu. Drag the diameter and depth manipulators. Do the same to edit a pattern. You can select fillets and chamfers directly and then use Press Pull to change the sizes, but not when there is more than one value to be defined, such as for hole, pattern, and mirror features. Inventor Fusion is a history-free modeler. Features and objects are organized in the browser, but there is no sequential or parametric dependency. Right-click a feature node to edit. Right-click nodes to delete. You can also cut or copy features and then paste. Be sure to see the wiki help for further important information.